The hood has been installed. Turn the blower motor. That's medium and now high. I can cook a lot of stuff here and there will be no smoke in the house. That's off. The blower motor is really strong. It has two big blower motors. So I'm going to enjoy the hood. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a Thermador hood and I will show you how to clean it. You will prolong the life of a motor and also it will run efficiently and also it will do its job properly. I'm going to take out the hood and I'm going to show you how you can clean it. If you have a similar hood, then you can follow the steps what I have done it. You can clean it and you will see the final result. The first step will be take out the hood, then I will show you how we can clean it. So let's get started. I have taken out the hood and placed the hood on the table. So what I have done now, I have taken out the motor. What I would suggest to you as a DIY person, it's a good idea to take out the whole motor assembly and then you can clean up yourself at your comfort. But if you leave it inside, then it becomes really harder. Why it becomes harder, that I'm going to share with you. At this moment, if we look at, these look really nice and clean. And I'll show you the second one, looks really ugly. It doesn't take that long to clean it. I use household cleaners, all-purpose cleaner, then Clinic wipes, engine degreaser. I used that, but I didn't like it. It didn't work that much. And then I have another cleaner. So let me close in and you will see the difference of one motor versus the second motor. This is the motor I still need to clean it. This is the one I already cleaned it. You see the difference? So clean. So when we're going to put it on, like this, and this is the motor inside. That's also clean. These are the cover. Look at how nice and clean. And if we look at this, it's so ugly. So what basically happens, all the grease goes inside and keeps accumulating. This is okay. This one looks ugly, no problem, no issue. But once it starts settling inside the fan, then it becomes harder for motor to turn. And if you look at now, after cleaning it, I still need to clean some. And look at this, it's nicely smooth spinning. When I took it out, I tried to do it like this. It just spin one or two times and then it stops. One thing I would suggest always as a DIY person, there are too many wirings and they are each are color coded. So if you just unplug it and then you will forget where each wire going to get plugged in. And at this moment, if you can see, these are the connections where the wiring gonna go and on the capacitor. So what I would suggest to make a diagram just by hand, just to draw a line. Green wire goes here, white goes here, red goes here, and one goes there. Then the same thing, blue, brown. And that makes life much easier. So now if we look at the motor, it looks so nice and clean. If I show you the other one, look, it's so dirty. So I'm going to take this one out as well and I'm going to clean it. So as you've seen it in close-up, it looks really bad. So only a few tips, as I mentioned. Make a wiring diagram so you won't forget when you're going to plug it back in. So once I'm going to clean it, then I'm going to mount both of them together, then I'm going to put it back. I cleaned up one motor. The second motor, I'm working on it. And on the second motor, all the parts, accessories are clean. The front end and back end plastic covers are also clean. And this is the motor. Which one? It runs really smooth. And if we look at inside, this is the harder work. This is really, it's not hard, it's very tedious. And you need some kind of a brush or something. I can use a metal brush or toothbrush, but they don't clean up the area inside of this motor. And if we look at this one, it's so covered with oil is accumulated and the dirt, and it sits there and it becomes heavier, and the more it becomes heavier, the less operational is. I got a small screwdriver, basically scrape it off. So if you look, this is how it's going to get scraped. So this is basically, it's not easy, as I mentioned, it's not easy job, but it will improve our performance of our hood. I'm going to keep continuing the same way, clean up, and once it's clean, and then I'm going to mount the second motor. The second motor is also very well cleaned, and if you see, now it's running real smooth. So this is the second motor. So we're going to mount it just like that, and I'm going to put the screws in. As for the wiring diagram, I make a rough sketch. So we're going to put the wires into the same order, and this is how it's easy to clean it. And now I'm going to put this one back in the hood. Now the only thing is left, place this assembly back into the hood and mount the hood back in the kitchen, and that's it. So I hope this helped you out in your DIY project, and if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Quick and easy and tasty and delicious recipes. Please check it out, Easy Steps. And I'm going to see you soon. Bye-bye.